Hello, this is Hannah with NetBlaze again. Today I'm going to show you how to add a user to your Google Analytics dashboard. Now there's multiple different reasons that you'd want to do this, but for today we're doing this as a web developer. That way I or your web developer can access information that they might need. So this is your dashboard. This is the first thing you'll see. Normally you'll have data coming through here. We don't today because this is just a test account. So you're going to go over to admin. And then under account, you'll see account user management. So this is super easy. We're just going to go up here to the plus sign and then add users. Here's where you can just put in the email of the new user you would like to add. Go ahead and keep this checked, that way they get notified and they can complete the setup on their end. I usually select all of these. This is what I would recommend. As for manage users, this is entirely up to you. If you want to remain the head admin, I wouldn't select this. That way your new users cannot remove any other users on this account. So now you can hit add. And then you'll be able to see the new user that you added right here.